We always religiously send all our bikes for regular servicing and all that, but did you know that maintaining your helmet is equally important because sweat degrades your lining?
Today we're going to find out if it's worth it to get a proper helmet cleaning kit, or can you actually just use something you can find at home. Welcome to this episode of
Do the Test!
He loves his freedom. She loves her freedom. They love their freedom. And we love our freedom.
Experience two-wheel freedom with DirectAsia. Use promo code VERYOK30 at checkout for $30 eCapita voucher or VERYOK60 for $60 eCapita voucher. Head on down to directasia.com/333 for more information. Thank you to DirectAsia for making this video possible.
Doing?
I'm making the shampoo come out. See?
Why? Bro, what's wrong with you, sia?
We need to use this or later.
Oh, there, 来了啊. Bro. What the f, bro? The smell damn strong, bro. For what he deserved. Jake is in the hospital, but we still have to clean the helmets. I got a Muc-Off helmet care kit. I got no clue if it's gonna clean the helmets. Durian, bro. It's the king of all fruit. Can Muc-Off do it? We'll find out, huh? Walao. Durian, no.
Bro, at least you're using Muc-Off. Today, I'll be using Home Remedies. This anti-hair fall shampoo, I read on the forums, right, that it's good because it's less irritable on the skin and the hair, and it's anti-hair fall, so it's good.
Hello, I shave, okay? Don't cut out the shirt, don't cut out the pants, don't cut out the shirt, don't cut out the pants. Oh, damn, it's really damn gross. Walao, going inside already, Oh.
You haven't seen the liner yet, right?
What? You lah, bro! Walao eh. Amos!
Huh?
Do you see inside the helmet or not?
What?
Look inside your helmet.
How am I supposed to flip this without touching the... Oh!
You lah, Jake. Wow, chow. This is so bad. I mean, I like durian and all, but wow, no lah, not like this lah. Bro, this one nuclear bomb also cannot clean, sia. So, well, throw up. Yeah, so this is bad stuff, right? I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put it. You're supposed to like put it on the foam and then. Can we do it outside? I'm gonna throw up, sir. Yeah, so you're supposed to put this on the foam and then let it dry. Leave it like 5-10 minutes. Spread everywhere. Fill up the helmet with foam and let it dry. That's bad. So I'm gonna do it twice. So there is definitely alcohol, but what exactly, we won't know. Just need to know whether it works or not. If the smell from my hands go away, we got a bloody good shot, man.
Anti-hair fall, good. Oh, dry already. How the hell you wash this off, bro?
Oh, very, very gingerly.
Okay, but I'm very, very excited to find out, right, whether like we can actually use all these home remedies to get rid of the smell. If this can remove the durian smell, right, anything also not scary. Why? 我走了啦。 What? When I flip the helmet upside down, I can smell the smells. I want to puke already. Oh! Oh. Next step. Anti-hair fall shampoo. Okay, limit. Inside helmet also need. Oh shit. Wow, hey, actually smell good.
I'm feeling quite confident. So just now, I had some on my hands, right? I washed it, no smell. Yeah, no. I need to go for round 2. This shit, man.
You know, I was smelling the liners, right? It smells quite nice. The shampoo smells very strong.
Oh.
Huh?
Jake, can we open door, please? So we are gonna clean the visors now while everything sits out there and dries. I have a visor cleaner. Got cloth. Oh, got more cloth.
You got extra cloth or not?
No.
Salah already, This one look like more water absorbent. Actually, correct. I should be using the polishing cloth because from what I read in the forums, right, the toothpaste you're supposed to like polish it into the visor.
I am using this to clean the visor, and then right after I'm done, this comes with an anti-fog treatment. We are gonna put it on this visor and we're gonna test it.
Bro, you still need 2 products. I want Colgate toothpaste can gao tim already.
Sure, bro.
Can brush teeth also. So apparently with the toothpaste, what you're supposed to do is to rub the toothpaste into the visor with your finger, and then after that use the microfiber cloth to like polish it after it's dried up. Then after you can wipe off all the excess and all that, and then it should act like a anti-fog layer on the visor.
So the toothpaste is supposed to act like polishing compound, right? Basically.
But the thing is, I don't have to go out there and buy something else. I already have it at home.
Like news, huh?
Like news, yeah?
Wow! Much clarity, much light. So anti-fog is supposed to prevent condensation. Does that mean that it's also going to repel water? I really don't know. So I'm going to put on the inside and the outside, and then later we test.
Oh, actually, I should have done like one side at a time because now I rub so long already, I don't know whether it's clean or not. You see?
One clear, one not so clear, but more importantly, we want to see how well it holds up against fogging. Oh wow.
Wow, totally no fog.
Wow. Oh wow.
Then you can see the difference, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So I didn't do it here, but I did it here. See the difference? That's gonna go on my other visor. You wanna do or I do?
My turn. Your turn.
Oh. A little bit, but not bad.
It's working.
It's working. Wow. Okay. Oh, you need to do outside.
I did it.
What outside fogging?
I have no idea. So this is 50% pass, 50% fail.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to steam his face later?
No. Hot sia. Eh? Oh. Eh? Hey! Hey! Oh.
Wow, it works.
Okay, we are back from like what, 10-15 minutes break.
Refresh the nose.
You ready to ready to check?
Yes. Durian smells still strong. After all that,
Whoa! Oh. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Whoa! Wow. No, I smell it smells a little bit like fast orange. I think they may use the similar
it's like
chemicals.
very citrusy.
Yeah. Wow.
I cannot smell durian from yours, but this one is when I was washing it, right, the shampoo smell is very strong. I was like, oh, say liao, win. But now the durian smell came back.
I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Muc-Off wins, bro.
Hands down.
Hands down. But I guess if you are in a pinch, you really need your helmet, then home remedies will work lah.
But when I was washing the inner liner of the helmet, it was very tedious and it's a lot of work. So if you don't want to wash or maintain your helmet liner so often, we just launched new 333 head buffs and balaclavas. Get yours today at 333.com.
And if you don't want durian in your helmet, don't get Jake to plan the shoot. With that, I'm Mark.
And I'm Amos.
See you on the road. What are you doing? Bro, I clean the meat first, bro.